Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a video of my time at Sunset Cliffs. Well, just a day in Sunset Cliffs. I spent actually altogether probably 5 or 6 days in this area of San Diego. We rented a hotel like on the ocean that was like really epic, really cool. It had been years since I'd been to San Diego, and now just me and my spouse and having one child in the house who's now 13 versus the last time we went, which was with three kids that were all like teenagers, 15 to like 13 to like 16, excuse me. This was just a different thing right here. It was really cool. I'll tell you this, I will be coming back here. I have a road trip planned for late summer, possibly early fall, and this will be probably one of my first stops, is this area on my way up the coast. I really enjoyed my time. The weather was awesome. As you can see in the video, my son, both those are both my sons, but my son in the camouflage is actually stationed there. He's in the Navy. He's been in the Navy about 3 or 4 years now. So one of the reasons I went out there is I wanted to go see him. He always come and saw us. So, go to where he's at and also where he's serving his country. So going out here was really epic. The whole area, Sunset Cliffs area, is real chill. San Diego itself is a pretty calm city. I've been here before, of course, with my kids. I also grew up in California, so we'd go there here and there. But actually spending way more time in San Diego, I realized the vibe there is much different than LA, a lot more laid back. I recommend, if you can spend the money, to try and get you a hotel or Airbnb near the ocean, because the culture around there is also so much different. And something about being near the ocean calms people down. It's really great. People are really nice. So many places to eat, so walkable. I loved walking around. I love getting up in the morning and smelling the ocean and just feeling at peace, just going for a walk or going to get something to eat. Tons of electric bikes and electric scooters all over for you to rent. When I do come back by myself, my annual road trip, I will be taking I'm taking the Rad Power bike with me. I do not plan, when I do go here though, to rent a hotel. I plan to stay a day or two, but basically just going to do some stealth camping in my vehicle. I'm taking the Kia Sorento. As you saw in some of my other videos, I have a bed that I can put in there and all that stuff. And I saw tons of people doing van life there. 99% of them you wouldn't really know unless you were really looking at the vans. 1% or so of them, there was a couple of people like, dude, that's the 1% that runs for other people, got crap sitting outside their car and all this stuff. But most people, no, you wouldn't really know it. I saw one guy get out of his van, his Ford Transit, put on his sandals, grab he had a unicycle, or a one wheel, excuse me, he had a one wheel, and hop on it and just go drive down right down the road and later on I ran into him, and he was like sitting on a pier or standing on a pier eating a bowl of cereal, staring at the ocean, minding his own business and, enjoying his time there. Now, going here, remember, it's called Sunset Cliffs neighborhood in San Diego. So you can look it up, research it. There's other places like La Jolla. I'll put a video up of La Jolla and all that stuff, my day there and stuff. But this Sunset Cliffs was my base of operation basically the whole time I was in San Diego. So I was there about 5 or 6 days, so staying there while going to Balboa Park and different places like that. Was it worth it? Well, clearly, as I said earlier, this was well worth it. This was great. The weather was excellent. Stayed in the high 60s, low 70s, I want to say, the whole time. My only pet peeve with California, it's been that since I was in high school, is that the gas prices are outrageous. You see them as high as $6 in places. So you have to use, when you go out here, use Gas Buddy. And that's the plan when I do go back by myself and it's just me, to also to park my SUV and pull out the electric bike a couple times. And know what I'm doing in regards to that, because gas will add up out here. It is definitely a place for hybrids and electric cars. more so for electric cars. I mean hybrids. If you're traveling, no headache. You can always get gas, but I saw so many Priuses. That's 40, 50 miles to the gallon in a Prius, and as you know, with a Prius or a Hyundai Ioniq and all of them, you literally, if I had a Hyundai Ioniq or a Prius, more so a Hyundai Ioniq, I literally could have filled up twice on my way to California, just twice, because they'll go over 600 miles, especially on the highway. That's insane. But I took my Kia Sorento. It did great. I mean, I still got like going out there 26, 27 miles to the gallon, and that's with all-terrain tires on it. Anyway, I recommend this. Recommend Sunset Cliffs area, San Diego. Go check it out. Tons of places to eat. It's so walkable. It's beautiful. God, it's trying to explain to people what it feels like to get up in the morning and just be like, wow, this is on point. Clear skies, beautiful ocean, great people, great food, tons of stuff to see. San Diego has great stuff to see. Balboa Park is just to name a few. All the cool little towns or beach communities around San Diego too. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Always be mindful though when you're traveling, driving around, plan your trips right. Know when when traffic rush hour is happening in the morning, and understand when rush hour is happening at night, so you don't get stuck in all that. If you do it right, you'll miss it all, and you'll be at where you need to go pretty fast in San Diego. Anyway, I want to thank everyone for watching my videos, and hope everyone has a good day. And this is Frugal Panda out.
Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here. I just wanted to give an update on my San Diego trip. It's pretty awesome. Beautiful weather out here. This time of year, which is March time frame, is a great time to come out to San Diego. Not too cold, not too hot. Excellent weather. Sunny every day. Beautiful. The weather's beautiful, as you'll see in my videos. Great place to bring your family, all that good stuff. Go check out Balboa Park. Tons of places to eat. There's more than Balboa Park, La Jolla, all a variety of different places. Anyway, just a quick check-in to tell you what's going on and recommend San Diego to you. A single person, a couple, solo traveler, family. Have a good day. Frugal Panda is out.